Before you begin, remove the access panel, 2.5-inch storage drive cage, wireless LAN module, M.2 solid-state drive, option board, fan, heatsink, and CPU. Removal. Install a socket cover on the CPU load plate. Disconnect the speaker cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the three 9mm T15 Torx head screws that secure the motherboard to the chassis. Lift the front edge of the motherboard and guide the external connectors on the motherboard out of the cutouts in the chassis. Remove the motherboard. Note: before installing a new motherboard, remove the following from the old motherboard and install onto the new motherboard: memory boards, CMOS battery, thermal pad. Replacement. At an angle, tow the external connectors on the rear edge of the motherboard into the cutouts in the chassis and lower it into position. Replace the three 9mm T15 Torx head screws that secure the motherboard to the chassis. Connect the speaker cable into the connector on the motherboard.